Want a simple way to make money online for beginners? Make money online, passive income, digital product side hustles. These are the top searches going into 2026. So today I'll show you the easiest beginner friendly way to get started. And this is a $1 Everbee store. Anyone can do this. So the link is below to launch your own store right below this, and we'll get you a free blueprint. But before we get started, drop a comment. We'll give you that free step-by-step guide, show you how to set this up for your first profitable store this weekend. So this video is for educational purposes only. I'm not guaranteeing any income. Success always depends on your efforts and consistency. So, but Everbee stores have helped thousands of beginners build digital product businesses and physical product businesses online. And today I'm going to break that down step by step. So you heard it. Why is Everbee the perfect solution for beginners? Shopify is complicated and requires some development skills. Wix is confusing. Etsy takes your traffic and shows customers your competitors. So Everbee solves all of that. For $1, Everbee builds a complete online store for you using AI. No coding, no design skills, no headaches. In minutes, you have a store ready to go with all your legal pages. And let me show you how easy this is on the back end. I'm going to dive in and show you step by step how we do this and how simple it is. And it just takes a few minutes. Okay, first things first, we're going to go to everbee.io/store, and you're going to come up with this page, or just click on the link below so that you get your $1 store. If you go directly here, you're not going to get that deal. So then click on the Start Now button, and then it'll bring up this screen here. So ready to build a website, it gives you three options: create with AI, import from Etsy, which is incredible. You can take a store with a ton of products, click one time and migrate your entire store over to here so you're not competing with everybody at Etsy. Or you can migrate a Wix store over here also, which is a really cool feature. So some people do use Wix, some people are using Etsy, a lot of people. But we're going to create ours with AI. We're just going to click here and then get started now. And then basically here we just want to give it a sentence, and it's going to give us some options here. So it'll start giving you further options like warmth and charm, families looking to enhance their living space, different things here. So it gives us options. So we'll go ahead and go with this rustic elegance of resonance. Yep, that's the one that we're going to pop in there, and it adds that in there. And we just click this blue button. You can see it creating with AI. So it's doing the domain connection, the payments, the terms, the privacy, the refund policy, everything that you need to build and operate a store properly. It's going to automatically add that in. See, terms, privacy, policies. You need all that. If you're going to be running ads, you have to have a privacy policy. You got to have a terms of use. And that wasn't even 20 seconds, and we're already, the store's building out for us. It has this elegance feel to it. So we can see that it adds some sample products in here for us so that we have a layout to go with. And then as we scroll down here, really nice layout. We can change any of this super easily, these colors. It has all our social media icons down here, our catalog, our links. And then we hit next, and look at this up here in the top right. We can even see what it looks like on mobile, and it looks outstanding. And then if we want to change this to some other font, we can easily do that. They've got a ton of fonts that they keep adding in here. We're just going to go with this particular one right here. We'll go with Railway. And then we can change these colors. So you can see this. We can change this to a different color for the whole palette. We can even customize these if we have our own branding in particular that we want to change. We can change that just by going up here and customizing these colors. But let me show you a few other things. We can round the site and make it look a little bit better. So you can see the colors in there. We go to the dashboard. Here's where things get really, really fun. This is amazing. Because to add your first product, which is going to be your first step, you just click add products over here. Connect your Stripe. If you just log into your Stripe account, click setup, it'll automatically log you in. And then it has some incredible stuff on this left side. It has your order shipping. So we're going to go ahead and just get that closed out. But as your orders start coming in, you're going to see the amounts, you're going to see the status, the action, the shipping, everything. All your products will be under here, including your collections and reviews. As you get those up, it'll start showing those. It automatically sends out your product review emails. So that is so cool. The marketing emails, discounts, everything that you need to build a store properly. We built hundreds and hundreds of stores. It has your welcome emails, your order emails, your abandoned carts. Abandoned cart emails are so important because if somebody doesn't check out and they put things in their cart and walked away, it'll send them an email to finish up their cart, which is really, really cool. So if you're looking for like a robust store to really build out and become successful with it, Everbee is really, like I said, we built hundreds of stores and we see that this has everything. You can integrate your Printify if you do t-shirts, subscriptions. It has your designer here, so you want to optimize and customize your site here. It's super easy. All you do is click on this and just, if you know how to use Word, you know how to use this and type in whatever you want. If you want to take this out, just take it out. I mean, it's not difficult to do this. So you can just go over and backspace this and then go up here and publish it. And then you have it. So let me just show you a couple sample stores. So if you're looking to do a store like a fashion store, this is a great layout. This was all built with AI. You can see it's got that nice soft colors to it. So if you're doing a boutique or anything like that, it's got your shopping cart, your search bars, everything that you need. This is one of my favorites. I love to do this AI artwork, and especially in a niche for different holidays, whether it's Mardi Gras or Christmas. So we can take it, this is the piece that we would sell, but then we can take it with AI and we've got we give you a blueprint how to build an AI store. And even we have a course, a full course in the link. Just drop a comment, we'll send you a private link. And how to do all this, how to develop the AI artwork. It's so easy. This is all beginner friendly. And you can see up here, we've got it in our cart here, so it looks nice. And we can go ahead and check out or do whatever. But this is another great competition on Etsy. If you go to Etsy, there's a lot of this on here, but not in the specific niche. So it literally has everything, but we teach you how to do this. We've got other videos on this too, and we use Everbee Store for this. So let me just show you some other things and how you do this, how you make money with this. So why do we put the emphasis on digital products? You can sell anything digital. And the cool thing is you don't have to have physical products inventory. So you could sell things from planners to templates to wall art, which is one of our favorites. And we create this through Canva. And you can get Canva for free. You can do journals, stickers, SVG files, ebooks, courses. There's so many different things that you can do, and it's a multi-billion-dollar business. and it's going into the $1 trillion business soon. So you can import your Etsy products instantly. This is the most beginner start with 3 products. That's what we say in the beginning, and then add more as you go. So every day keep adding, or every week add more. And that's how your sales come in. This is a passive income part to building the store, because your store is your store. You keep the attention and the profits there. You don't give it to Etsy, because you're building it with Everbee. So then traffic comes from posting to Pinterest, which is free, TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, Etsy Overflow. You're getting Google rankings. So it all comes from there, and you need to advertise. Beginners make their sales in days, not months. So how do you scale to $100 a day, which is $3,000 a month? The scaling formula is super simple. Number 1, you add products. Number 2, you bundle products, and you can see some of that right here, the way they're doing it. 20 plus Christmas, elegant Christmas collection. So you get more money with that. Instead of $3 or $4, you get $15. Increase your average order value. Use Everbee to email to drive repeat sales. That's why Everbee, I keep saying Everbee, because it is so good. Creators who follow this hit consistent $100 a day and above. So whether you want to put your time into this, and like I said, there's a disclaimer, there's no guarantees. If you're ready to start a digital product store, just click the first link below. You'll get $1 Everbee store. And if you drop a comment, like, and subscribe, I'm going to get you a free step-by-step blueprint guide on how to do everything, how to set it up, we show you how to do planners. We show you how to do the AI artwork. And this is anything that a beginner can start earning online. So I appreciate you guys watching. I've got tons of videos on how to make money. So if you want to make money in 2026, you're in the right place.